Hello, my name is Jason Flynn, and I am a teacher at East Windsor High School. I work in the PE and health department, and this year I have your son or daughter in teen leadership. So today I'm going to kind of talk to you about teen leadership. Teen leadership is a class where we look to help the kids develop leadership skills. We do a lot of self-exploration in terms of identifying strengths and weaknesses, talking about things such as self-concept and self-confidence. We also look at what they call EQ, which is emotional quotient, and those are things like persistence, optimism, self motivation, self awareness, all the skills that are necessary to go on and be successful in life. Um, Weekly or bi weekly, the students will give speeches on different topics, but the topics are usually about themselves. Um, and we also do some larger projects. This year, they will be doing a project called the Social Issues Project, where they'll be identifying some social issue that they don't like and coming up with some way to change it. A simple example would be, hey, I want to do something about hunger, so I'm going to put together a food drive, and then we're going to donate the food to the food shelf. So they will be working on those things. Like I tell the kids, this is a doing class, not just a sitting and thinking class. We like to do things in here. We like to challenge ourselves and try to become the best possible we that we can become. It's a lot of fun class, one of my favorite classes to teach, and I hope the kids really enjoy it. If you have any questions, you know you can always reach out to me through email or phone call. Most successful way is definitely through email, and my email is jflynn@ewct.org. Or you can find me on Teams, or you can find me on portals. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I really look forward to this year.